Hey everyone, join me for an action-packed day of tree clearing and daring feats.
Up here. That's a good little fall, huh? Might have to shorten it up again.
Are you shortening it up?
Let him do his thing.
Probably gonna grab it.
Stay back. Stay back.
Lazy boy, huh? Look at that. Fast. That's that second gear. Fast. That is so bad.
All right. The next one's this big guy here. Real big one. If it goes wrong, it's gonna knock this shed over. You definitely don't want that. And the house is just right there. We don't want that. So, hook the block and tackle down there. And run rope from here to the block, back to the tractor. Let's get rid of this big hazard. Nothing left but to do it. I think that's a good spot. Once I make my back cut, put some weight on it. All right. See you down there. So we lost a couple teeth on that last big fall. See one right there? Just kind of sheared off, so I'm just gonna give it a quick sharp and then we'll get back to it. But so far, been a pretty productive day. Did take one injury. We had a widowmaker branch come down out of the tree, hit me right in the hand, just split me open. But other than that, we're doing pretty good today. We've been working up there by the cabin, kind of clearing that whole area that's lit up there. Kind of hard to make it out from here because we still need to move some of these trees within this. This is the new area going down the road. We need to remove quite a bit of this through here. Trying to shoot for 15-foot spacing between the big ones. Get rid of all the ladder fuels. So that's the plan. This is what it looks like now. Wait till the end of the day. All right, we had to reposition a little bit and we ran out of gas, so let's get back to it. So after they get that one cleaned up there, we're gonna go ahead and drop this big one. Goes way up there. The biggest one of today. Almost as big as the one yesterday. Maybe the same size. But we gotta get this out of here first, so stick around. Okay, got you up here behind a tree. Don't be scared. It's gonna come this way. It'll look cool. We'll see.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do is take it easy, personal. What I'm making so discreet like magic. Got a bad dress to get it, being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast, I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are not anything exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been through hell, I never got anyone's help. No, I don't take shit. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Incompetent, mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something more illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. If you say unstoppable, future is possible. Future is impossible. If you just believe it could be so remarkable. Guns in my head, if the rocks really spread, I'll be great one day. Going on in my head, so I'm not giving up, no I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind, I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages of making modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell,
All right, folks, thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed the show. There'll be one more episode because I couldn't pack it all in here. But thanks for watching. Like, sub, and subscribe. You can check out the Jarhead.